First rates, Tuesday morning, it's a good start. When I say good start, don't go by the print of red or green. Good start because you're consolidating firmly above 24,500, and that's what you want to see. This market is consolidating very, very smartly and very, very nicely. The market seems to be showing constructive price action when it comes to the market breadth. The market breadth is looking strong, and the market breadth is looking powerful. You want to mark some big news makers. Go Digit. It's a insurance manufacturer but largely digital dominated. Go Digit is off to a flat start. News impact is not there. Wipro $40 million acquisition. It's not having an impact per se there also. And then there is Piramal Pharma and Afcons where there are a series of brokerage upgrades and views which have changed on where the stock could move. So Piramal Pharma is off to a good start and Afcons is also off to a decent start. But I think, Anisha, for me it really would be fog in Delhi, winter in Mumbai, but sun is shining bright for all the solar companies.
Yeah, solar companies are shining bright and so is the broader market, even though the frontline index is a bit tempered below the mark of 24,600. Apart from the initiation on Piramal Pharma, Quest Corp is reacting to that antique note coming in. I think 1,000 is what the target price they have set for this company. 5% higher as far as Quest Corp is concerned. You also have United Spirits, which is perking up. Remember yesterday in the closing, we were talking about in the last 30 minutes, there was a big shot up and a big green bar that had emerged on United Spirits. It's continuing today with that 2.5% move. Real estate again is making a comeback. Yesterday, real estate index saw the biggest intraday jump in the last 6 months. Today, it's continuing. So, Brigade Enterprises, Prestige Estate, these are a couple of stocks which are in the green. Mankind Pharma, that 3,000 crore QIP seems to be getting good amount of buyers. It's holding up in the green. Kotak actually upgraded Cipla. It's seeing a bit of a reaction. There's a 2.25% increase coming in as far as Cipla is concerned at this point of time. On the losing side, Suven Pharma is on the back foot. KPR Mill is on the back foot. Shriram Finance too, surprisingly, is a bit tempered in the trading session right now with a cut of around 1% coming in. These are some of the stocks that we are watching out for. And then Wellspun Living and actually surprisingly Reliance Industries, we were talking about how it's lost its mojo. It's down 1% to begin the trading session with no incremental news flow as such, but clearly not supporting the bulls today. In fact, in terms of sectors, it's real estate which is up 0.5%. Energy is down 0.5%. Yesterday as well, BPCL, HPCL, etc. were down. Today as well, they are down. Reliance, of course, is taking it on the chin right now. IT stocks are on the back foot led by Infosys. So some of these stocks are the ones which are causing a bit of a drag at the index level right now. But Cipla clearly, Avan, is one of those outliers with that Kotak upgrade.
Yes, indeed. But by and large, it's a fairly muted start. It's the broader markets that is showing you a little more energy. Energy is a sector, though, that's down in trade. Ditto with IT, autos on the back foot. And barring a meaningful move on real estate, nothing's really holding out quite well. And I just want to check in on some of those real estate counters. Is it purely one name or a bunch of them? It's Prestige Estates, actually, Brigade, as well as Sobha and Oberoi to a certain extent that are managing to hold out. Breadth in favor of the gaining side. The Nifty Bank is quiet, but around the 53,430 mark. Let's get in your take, Kunal, and what's the first trade?
Yeah, so I think it looks to be an okay start. Again, the index is consolidating, but we're trading above the key support points for the index, so that should be a sign to watch out for over the near term. In terms of the opening trade, I would look at L&T. The stock is now coming very close to that 3,900 mark yet again in terms of a potential breakout. So, after yesterday's mild price correction, would be keen to buy L&T at the open.
Okay. All right. L&T is the opening trade for Kunal. Naresh, what's your first trade?
So that would be a one Bharti Airtel. The stock has drifted a bit lower after the breakout, so looks like a good entry point here.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.